Hello and welcome to BW.com. Today I'm going to introduce a new WooCommerce plugins to you, and it is BW WooCommerce Product Scraper. These plugins will help you to scrap product from any website like Amazon, Alibaba, or any third-party website to WooCommerce directly. There are a lot of people that are trying to do dropshipping business in 2026, but if they have to import products manually, it will take a lot of time for them, but they don't have that much time, right? So here comes BW WooCommerce Product Scraper. This is a very handy tool. I'm going to show you how you can import within just a click. So let's get started. So here, these plugins have multiple options to import products to WooCommerce. This is a WooCommerce website, and here you can see Product Scraper. You already know how to install plugins, right? So I'm not going to show you the basic things. So here, first, let's go to single import. And here you have to insert the product URL. So these are the URLs I recently used, but let me show you a fresh one. So this is the list of the products that I'm going to import. For example, these links, I'm going to copy the product link. You can open it in a new tab. You can copy the link, and then you can come back to our site and then paste the link here. And you can set the category ID if you want that these products will assign to one of your specific category that you already created on WooCommerce. You can just put the ID here. For example, let me go to categories. And here you can see we have 3 categories right now. So I'm going to create a new category called this. And add a new category. And here, if you hover to edit button, at the bottom left, you will see cat ID, and it is 398. So you can put 398 here. Also, there is some other options like source website. If it is a known website like Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress, then you can select. Otherwise, you can choose custom if you don't know the source. So product type, simple product. And so right now our tools only support import simple products. And here status, so what should be the status, draft or publish. So initially you can put it in draft, and then when you make it live, make sure you have made some changes, because important could not be 100% accurate sometimes. So if you work on a live site, then make sure you put it on draft first, then check manually, then import, then publish. So if you do not assign a category ID, then this tool import category as the source site. Okay. So this is our source site. So it will import category from the source site. Okay, so now let me click on preview products. So if you click preview products, then you will see the preview of the products. So here is the title, here is the price, here is the SKU, model, brand, and everything. You can see short description, long description, and here is the category hierarchy. So this is the category that comes from the source site, but here you can see manual category ID is 398, will be used. Source hierarchy is shown for reference only. So if you did not put the ID, then this would be the category. As we have put the category ID, so our products will assign in this category. And then main image, you can see the main image, and you can see other gallery image or additional image. So sometimes you might see that some irrelevant images comes here because this is not a known website. So different website structure is different. So our tools is very effective to detect the exact gallery images, but sometimes it makes some mistake. So you can check and you can remove the unnecessary image from here. So here I think this is a third-party image. This is not a product image. So you can remove the URL from here. And then I think these all comes from the product gallery. Okay. So then you can create products, or if you already uploaded this product, then you can just click update existing product when duplicate is found. Okay, so let me create products. Okay, so you see duplicate detected because same title products is already imported on our website. Okay, so if you go, then okay, so now we are going to import products from this site. So let's copy the link from here, come to the single tools, paste the URL here, and then if you have category ID, put the number here, and then click preview products. And you can see 12 images found, one category level. So all the information is good. Here is the image URL. Now click create product. So the product is created. Now come to our product editor panel, and here you can see everything is imported perfectly. So the price, description, images, and all. So this is how you can import products from any source site to WooCommerce. Now come back to bulk import. So this is more handy. You can just, so I already have make a CSV list. So you can just make a list like this. You can put each product URL like this and then download it as CSV. And then come here and upload the CSV file. And then you can put the ID here. Let me copy the ID, category ID. So the category ID is 397, and make it publish and run bulk import. And boom, and it will import all the products within just a minute. Okay, so let's check the other things that you can do with these tools. This is more handy, which is the Chrome extensions. So there is some website that has a bot protection. Something like this site has a bot protection. So this plugin itself is not able to scrap products from this site. So here, to solve this solution, to solve the problem, we have built a Chrome extension. So with this plugin, you will get the Chrome extension as well. So now if you go to Product Scraper settings, here we'll find API key. So you have to copy the API key and then put it here and your WordPress site URL, and then save settings and then test connection. So if you can see connection successful, and then you have to come here, then click the product that you would like to import, and then click the Chrome extension and then click on import current products. So you can see the product imported ID 1058. So now let's go to our products. And here is our products. So you can see it. You can see the product image, title, category, and the images. So some images may be broken because some URL maybe got broken. So you have to make sure after input any products from the source side. Okay. So here is, if you find this plugin helpful, then you can go to our website BW.com, and here you can go to products, and here you can see some very useful products that we have built for you. So you can purchase the products and boom, then you can build your dropshipping store within just an hour. So if you have any questions, you can contact us through the BW.com, and I will give a reply within a minute. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.